Good morning, and you join me on this beautiful Monday morning. I know it looks like it's raining, but trust me, it is just a figment of our imagination, because the weather this morning said there was going to be no rain, maybe a little shower here and there, but they were obviously lying as per usual. But anyway, we're going to go to the job, we're going to go through the motions, grab a coffee on the way, and see if we can get on with it, I guess. Oh, maybe it's just stopped. Maybe it was just a shower. Oh, we'll find out anyway. It's a typical Monday. We're up on the roof. Let's go. It is definitely raining. Definitely. This is not a figment of my imagination. This is definitely rain. There's only one thing for it. Let's go to Costa and get some porridge. Woohoo! Yeah! It's absolutely chucking it down. I'm gonna die. Hold up. By the way, if you've got a long wheelbase high top transit and you've been wondering if you can get into Costa at Roundham's, you sure can. Yes, just like by that much. Well, that is what you call a tipper. Where can I get one of them bad boys? Still raining. Sorry, Greg. Let's go and get wet, shall we? Well, Monday was a fail so far. I'm on my way to go and get weighed and paid. Obviously it's raining, so if it clears up later I might go back and make a start. Don't know. If not, I'll have to go back tomorrow. But for now, let's go and get weighed and paid and pick up a couple of radiators on the way. Yes. And we're back. As you can see, the chuffing sun's come out. It's nearly 10 o'clock. And the sun's just came out. We are expecting more rain. However, the customer has decided he would now like insulation in the roof. So I'm gonna have to go and get that, but I can't go and get that until my van's empty. So, yeah. I've also got a job to go and price at about 4 o'clock. So I might just put the job off till tomorrow. We'll see, we'll see. It's not been a good Monday. It's a typical roofing Monday, really. It's just chaos. Well, I'm going to make my way to the scrapyard and see if I can grab anything on the way. 10:30 and the bloody sun's come out. Oh, I don't know. Right. Almost at the scrapyard. I haven't got much, but I'll show you what I do have. Bloody door. Bunch of radiators. Got the brass bits off, set that bit. I can't find my Allen key. That's stainless. They need further processing, so I'm just going to fry out what I can. Light iron, short, maybe a bit of shearing. Let's go and see what we can do, shall we? Shall we go in? Someone out there who wants that bike. Oh, I did try breaking this down, but I couldn't. There's a motor. Oh, what's in there? It's already in there. The D-date cable. So short and shearing. Ridiculous. Short still. Shearing. Cord. Actually cut it off this time. Where's me Uma? So all roll. Stay here, hammer. Rest. We'll go short and shearing. Don't know if I recorded shearing. Bloody camera wasn't on. Damn it. Anyone want to be next? Behind the scenes look. Oh. Can't remember where I put the camera then. This is the worst camera footage ever, this. Oh. Sweat. Keep going. anything in here shouldn't be there. There's a motor, keep that. Another one, keep that. Cooler, keep the boiler. Aluminium, stainless. Couple of lamps. Right. That's it. Let's get weighed and paid. Even though one machine behind. Not that I wanted it, but you know. Bust through there, mate. Give this a turn round. Stainless, I think that. It's aluminium, stainless. 2 boilers. Got that washing machine, bunch of insulation, bunch of motors down there, a couple of radiators. That's it. Good morning, and it is Tuesday morning. It's dark and gloomy here in Vanderland. We're going to grab a coffee and then we're going to make our way to the job that we tried to start yesterday but we couldn't because it was raining, and today it's a little bit drizzly but it should be alright. So let's go and see if we can mark this roof. Right, let's go. Hello and welcome back. We're on the hunt for some scrap. Oh, that rhymed. Well, we're not hunting for it, we're going to pick it up. That's about it really. I'll show you what I got when I've got it. I won't be able to film it because he likes to chat and stuff, you know, it's from a contact. So yeah, I'll show you what I got. Well, I went and see the guy. I picked up about £5 worth of short steel. The only thing is I gave him a gas oven, which was about £5 worth of non-ferrous. But he done me a good turn for a while, and he really liked the look of it, so I'll just give it to him, bless him. Oh, whoa, we're about to die here. Or kill someone. Oh dear. Alright, now there's a motorcyclist. Hold up. I'm trying to film here at the same time. Oh. Right, I'll catch up with you guys in the morning, because this is chaos and it's going to cause an accident. Good morning! It is Wednesday morning. I finished that job off yesterday and made quite a bit of moolah on that one. That was great. I whacked my ass off for it though. So I'm out and about. It's currently Wednesday morning. Well, for you it's Wednesday night, but I haven't got much content so far. So we're going to try and find some. I just went past a bit of metal up here. Let's go and grab it. A few bits of metal there. Nice bit of clean. What's that? Bit of cheering, is it? No, is it? Oh, God, that's heavy. Oh, that's a nice bit of metal there. That's what I'm talking about. Sort of grabbed off the old guy yesterday. There's loads of stuff. So we can get out of here. There's a little spot just down the road. I want to check that out now as well. afraid there's not much about. Let's have a quick look here, saw some stuff. Ruddy fridge. So I don't get out for nothing, you know. Wow, it is absolutely dead. I think I'm just too late to the party today. So there, anything? Just a human. Ugh. Oh well, if I see anything else, I'll let you know. Don't get your hopes up. Mistake, I actually found something. Oh, I've been out for ages. Some microwave. Oh, my bloody washing machine fell over. And the light. What's that light like? If there's any bulb in it, I'm not taking it. Take it. I can take your microwave for a walk. Bloody washing machine keeps falling over. Oh. What a mess. Am I going to have to sponge it? I think I am. Turn it that way. Oh, it's just a mess. So off the scrap, buddy. Been busy, lots of little shorts doing that. Basically, still got these boilers to get through. So we've got a tumble dryer here. It's got a note on it. What's the note say? This aging machine made in Germany is working order, but it needs a properly built order. It requires a dual. It's free. La 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 la. To me, that just says scrap. There's no way I'm giving that another life. No way. I'll just pass the cooker up the road as well on someone's driveway. So I might go back and grab that as well. State of this. Oh. Is it a washing machine or a tumble dryer? It's a washing machine. Oh, let's wipe this door shut. Damn it. How can I pick this up then? Oh, I can't grab it. Oh. Deadlift the sucker straight in. Whew. I used to be able to deadlift 4 times that much. The thing is, when it's a box and not a bar, it's difficult. Oh. Right, just gonna find somewhere to push my hernia back in. I'll go back to you guys momentarily. Oh. This light iron ain't so light, is it? Oh, there's a bunch of metal here and all. And there's a person walking down the road. That's good. It's just what I need. Hello. Fuck it, let's grab it. of metal here. Oh, I'll take the old thing. Well, I'm afraid that's it. And my GoPro ran out of battery, so get ready for some janky phone footage. Show you what I got. I went back for the cooker. This footage is going to be terrible. There's the cooker. Had some nice aluminium bits on it, not too shabby. Sort of stuff I picked up, you saw me pick up that. That's the bits in the cooker. There's a washing machine you saw me pick up, and some bits of metal and other detritus. This in here, I don't know what it is. There's no way that's stainless. Nope. It's a bunch of rubbish, really. What's in that bag? Oh, what? They're not metal, are they? Bloody kids' bike helmets. Oh, that's it, guys. That's all I got. Pretty rubbish. That shot probably. I hope so. That's it. Pretty crap video this week, I'm afraid, but you know, it's something, I guess, something to watch and cure the boredom for you guys, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully I'll have something better for you guys on Sunday, but if not, I'll see you whenever I see you, and hopefully that soon. Until then, be cool, be kind, and I'll see you next time. Love yas. Oh, and if you liked it, yada yada yada. If you want to subscribe and see more, yada yada yada. Just do what you want.